To other news now, pressure is mounting on the management of the Jewel Paradise Cove Hotel in St. Anne. Operations at the facility were impacted as more than 200 workers stayed off the job. Details in this report.
Yet another protest by hotel workers, this time in Runaway Bay, St. Anne.
If they have looked into the paper that we have signed of our concern, it shouldn't resolve to this.
Workers at Jewel Paradise Cove, like others out west, also took to the streets from as early as 8 o'clock Friday morning, demanding better wages.
I have been at Jewel for over probably 10 years now, right? And the biggest concern, it is the pay of the staff. The moral of the staff is very important because we are the one that is doing the work. We have the capacity, the capability and the willingness, me, myself, the same, to do the work. We are willing to do the work and we can go above and beyond. We have been doing that. So they have to look at the moral of the staff, and that is what we are here for.
The protest was halted sometime after 10 when workers were invited to a meeting with the management of the hotel. But within minutes, the workers were back on the streets.
The staff walked out of the meeting based on the fact that they heard, she said, empty barrel. The statement wasn't finished, but that's what the staff said. So that's why all of us came back out now, right? Because they felt that they were disrespected.
They're calling for the government to intervene.
We definitely need more money. Look at my uniform, sir. Look at my uniform. All right. We need better working conditions and we need uniforms.
Friday's protest come on the heels of a series of protests by hotel workers in recent weeks. This week, workers at Excellence Oyster Bay in Trelawney also protested, demanding better wages. Prince Moore, TVJ News.